How you guys doing? This is CQB Russian, and I'm doing a review of the new Wolverine Regulator Storm. This is what it comes with. It comes with a hose, Allen key for the regulator, so you can set up your pressure. Also with a fitting for your gun. Regulator and the terminal lock. It also comes with the instructions. When you get your regulator and you have your terminal lock, just put it inside and grab your bottom and just screw it in. You don't have to hold the terminal lock, tie it down until it goes all the way down. Just turn it a little bit more and that's it. The terminal lock has a little hole that you line up. You can adjust it from 40 to 140, and you can use this regulator with bottles from 300 to 1000 psi. It comes with your gauge so you can see how many pressure you run, and the one for your line, the fitting for your line. You put the chrono tag through it from the lock so you can get to it. Once you finish playing with it, you lose it, hold one turn, you leave it connected to your gun, shoot it, and that will empty the air that is left over in there. Once you make the one turn, it doesn't push on the bottle anymore. Should you take it out of the bottle, don't leave it on the bottle. Because if you leave it in there, it might tie back up and it will stay on all the time. So just be sure you take it out once you finish playing. I really like it. It's real compact and it's small. It's not too thick. The sleeve for the tournament lock is real light and simple to use. It comes in different colors. I'm gonna use it and I'm gonna let some of the people use it so they can tell me what they think about it and how they think it performs. Wolverine says it performs better once the more you use it, the better it gets. It is a high flow regulator. I let Eduardo use the new regulator from Wolverine, Storm. He just played with it, so he's gonna give us his opinion about it.
My opinion about this regulator is it's such amazing how you could control the PSI. It gives you a much better accuracy. It's super easy to move your PSI to where you want it to. It makes it easier for you to read it. It saves you so much air. The size of it is a big difference compared to red line regulators. That's the one I have. I actually would prefer this one than the one I actually have right now with me, the red line. Not only would I like this just because it's easier, but because of the size. I recommend this for anybody who is wanting to try out HPA. It's just better than mine. I'll just recommend this for anybody trying to get HPA.
So I'm here with a Storm regulator from Wolverine. You're gonna turn it right now. So I have the terminal lock set up. You just gotta put the key in there. Right now the pressure is too low, so I'm gonna raise it up. All right, so we turn it.
370. Alright, I did it.
Yeah, I need the chrono, put the chrono tag. Okay, so once it's chrono, so we switch, turn them like to the side, then you just put the chrono tag there.
Okay, so
Look at my crystal.
they're here, like that.
Yeah.
And then you can go over under, right?
Yep.
Okay. Is that right?
Yep. And you can't mess with the chrono tag anymore. Okay. So you cannot adjust it. And we're ready to play. Surrender. Tower. Where's the tower? Come on.
My name is David, I'm from Level, and these adapters from the top come from different colors, and it's from Wolverine. And this thing, after you chrono it, you can mess around with it, do the PSI, and it works good, and I like it.
So you're pretty happy with it?
Yeah,
You like the way it runs and all
yeah, I
that
like
stuff?
the way it runs.
Okay, thank you.
This is the Wolverine regulator. You got a cap, red, any other color you can get it, if you want it. Tournament style lock, can't mess with the regulator anymore. Easy to read reg, and much more slimmer than the normal, other than having to adjust and all that. And that's about it. Good refresh rate. Yeah, I like it.
Thank you.